What does fluency mean? It means speed and accuracy. When someone is fluent in a language, it means they speak quickly and accurately. Okay? We're just not as fluent on the math, reading, and science as we are in our native language. That's our goal, is to get more fluent on these three sections. That means faster and more accurate. Okay? It's not the content. The content's up to 7th grade on the math and mostly up to 4th grade. Okay? All right, let's jump into it. Let's look at number 1. Okay? The blood types of 150 people were determined by a study as shown in the figure below. And then you have a chart with 4 bar graphs. And it says, if one person from the study is randomly selected, what is the probability that this person has either type A or type AB blood? The reason we're doing this question is just to show you how clever the ACT is. Doesn't that look pretty hard? I mean, if you didn't know that number 1 was the easiest question on the math section, you'd probably think that was a pretty tough looking question. It does. It does look tough. It's fairly long. It's got that chart in it. And it mentions probability, which makes students nervous, I'm sure. No. Probability is actually a very, very simple concept. If you take an evenly weighted coin, heads and tails, and you want to know what your chances of flipping and getting heads is, what do? Well, in probability, you take the number of ways to get what you want. In the case of the coin, you've got 1 chance of getting your heads, right, compared to the total possibilities, which is 2. So probability is always the total ways to get what you want divided by the total possibilities. Number of ways to get what you want divided by the total possibility. Very simple concept. So what do we do here? Well, what's our probability of getting type A or type AB? Either one of those is acceptable. Okay, first of all, how many type A's? Well, you've got 67, okay, type A. How many type AB? You've got 6, okay, you add them up. Out of the total possibilities, how many people did they say? 150, and you're essentially done. 67 plus 6 is 73. Out of 150, ding, 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 that's the answer. Very simple question, okay? All right, what kind of math? Arithmetic.